Hot tips for your PowerUp X FPV. Before your first flight, remove the foil that's in the rear. Charging. Every flight needs to start with a fully charged battery. Remove the battery and connect the micro USB to the rear. Take your battery and insert it all the way in. Push firmly and you'll hear 2 clicks. 1, 2. After inserting all the way, you'll see the LEDs will light up and your airplane will boot and start. Before going out to fly, choose a non-windy day. This will be helpful for beginners. When you go out, look for a big open field without any obstructions, electric wires. You don't want to fly next to big water reservoirs or ponds because the airplane might get lost in it. And always be sure to write your name on the back. So if it does get lost, maybe somebody will help you find it. To capture videos and still photography, you'll need a micro SD card. This SD card is not included in the kit. Be sure to purchase a ×10 micro SD card, slide it in the rear compartment, and later you can download your videos using the app or external device. Just like a real airplane, your PowerUp X FPV needs a pre-flight checklist, and this must be done also after every landing. There are 4 things you need to remember. Slide your airplane always all the way to the front. Lock it from the rear all the way. Slide the crossbar also all the way to the front, and observe your rear elevators. See that they're in place and slightly raised. This way you'll get a perfect launch. There are 3 things you need to do before starting your app. Turn off your Bluetooth. Put your airplane on the ground for a quick calibration. Open your Wi-Fi network and select the PowerUp network. Now you're good to go. Open the app and start flying. To optimize your Wi-Fi communication, first things first, be sure to fly in an open space without any Wi-Fi interference, far from houses, antennas, power lines, and also turn off all other Wi-Fi communication devices. So if your friends have a phone, turn off their Wi-Fi. The second thing is the Wi-Fi setting in your phone. We have auto mode and manual mode. Always start with the auto mode. The auto mode will auto-select an available Wi-Fi channel. If you see that you have disconnects, go into the Wi-Fi scanner in manual mode and choose an available channel. This will ensure that you get the best performance and best streaming for video. So the airplane comes with 2 launching modes: throttle fly enabled and disabled. What that means? Throttle fly enabled means that when you throttle up, your propellers will not turn. The G sensor will start the propellers once you launch your airplane. Let me show you how to take off with throttle fly enable. Double tap the throttle, throttle up, your propellers will not turn on, and gently launch your airplane. You'll notice that the propellers will throttle up and your airplane will take off. For throttle fly disabled, go to your settings screen and turn the button to disabled. Double tap your throttle.
Cleared for takeoff.
When you throttle up, the propellers will start turning and gradually launch. Always launch your airplane into the wind, just like a real airplane. Wind direction, either wet your finger or throw some dust and you'll see where the wind is coming from. In this case, the wind is coming from that direction, so we'll want to launch the airplane into the wind. For more information and tutorials, be sure to press the support button on the bottom of the app or go to our website, www.poweruptoys.com. Thank you.